Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E550 W211, and today we're going to be replacing this assembly. So your cup holder assembly, the wood slider, and the whole top of this dash area. To remove this assembly, it's pretty easy. We're going to lift up the shifter knob assembly, and I have another video posted on that as well, so please check that out. Once it's out of the way, we're going to twist it out. And then there are two screws, one here and one right here. So as you guys can see, it's pretty dirty down here, and at the same time you can clean up this area as well. But to remove the screw, you're going to need a T20 bit. And now place your fingers down here where the dash ends and lift up. You're going to lift up and pull a little bit towards the seats. You're going to do the same on the other side as well. And then just slowly keep lifting. It's going to release all the tab locks. Completely remove the shifter knob. Remove the assembly out of place. And then there's a wire that we have to disconnect. So here's my old assembly that I took out with this colored wood. I'm going to be replacing it with this. So I'm going to drop the assembly back in place and reconnect the wiring. Once we have the wiring reconnected, here are the tab locks, and the tabbings are underneath this dash panel. So we're going to align everything up and then just push it down into place. Just like that, it's back into place. Reinstall the two screws and then reinstall the shifter back into place. But this is how easy and simple it is to remove this whole dash panel and the cup holder area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a like and share. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you want to see more videos on my W211 E550, I have plenty more videos on this car. Please subscribe and follow the playlist, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.